Ever wondered if that friend request you sent ages ago is still lingering in the digital abyss? Let's find out. First, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the Instagram app. This will take you to your personal profile page. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner. This is your menu. Tap on it. A menu will slide in from the side. In this menu, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. It's usually near the top. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you find the Account Center option. It's usually grouped with other meta-related options. Tap on it. Inside Account Center, scroll down a bit to find the section labeled Your Information and Permissions. Tap on this option. On this page you will find the Access Your Information option. Tap on it. Scroll down again to Connections, and tap on View Sent Requests. Voila! Here you'll see a list of all the friend requests you sent that are still pending. You can scroll through the list to see who's been ignoring you ... or hasn't seen it yet. From here, you also have the option to cancel any of these friend requests by tapping the Cancel button next to the username. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to check your sent friend requests on Instagram.